Students, here you will see a very simple and interesting question from the topic arithmetic progression, and this is related to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Here question is find the sum to n terms of the sequence an, means this is arithmetic progression whose kth term is given here 5k plus 1. Okay, kth term means we can write ak or we can write tk, no problem. This is 5k plus 1. So let us find the solution up to n terms. So we know the formula. There is a formula in the previous videos we have already discussed to get the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression, and that is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Here we have to find sum to n terms. Value of n is not given here. Number specifically is not mentioned here. So we'll get the answer in terms of n, in general form, in terms of n only. Okay. So nothing to worry about it. But before doing this question, we need the value of first term and common difference, so that we could get Sn by putting value of a and d in this formula. This is a formula. Okay, let us write relation 1. So here we have ak is equal to, or better to write tk here, no problem. Tk is equal to 5k plus 1. So first term will be how much? By putting k is equal to 1, we will get first term t1, that will be 5 into 1 plus 1, this is equal to 6. By putting k is equal to 2, we will get second term t2, that is 5 into 2 plus 1, this is 11. Okay. Similarly, by putting k is equal to 3, we will get third term, that is 5 into 3 plus 1, this is equal to 16. Clear? So for this formula, value of a will be 6. Generally we use a as the first term in this formula. So a is equal to 6 and d is equal to how much? We can get value of d by subtracting two consecutive numbers. So we can get value of d by t2 minus t1, and t2 is 11 and t1 is 6. So this is equal to 11 minus 6, this is equal to 5. So value of a is 6 and value of d is 5. Now by using this formula, we can get sum of n terms very easily. Okay. So now let us use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As we have discussed, n will remain here in the answer also, because value of n is not given. Okay. So this is equal to n by 2, 2a. A means 6 plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? 5. Now let us simplify it. By simplifying it, we will get the required answer. So this is n by 2. 2 into 6 is 12 plus 5n minus 5. So this is equal to n by 2, 5n plus 7. Okay, this is the value of Sn. Or by multiplying these two factors also, we can write the answer, no issue. We will get the answer very easily. Hope you have understood this solution, and we will do some more problems in other videos too. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.